Dr. Jaffe, how much protein is ideal and how do you get your protein?
Well, first, how much does a adult need of protein? And that is 60 to 80 grams a day. Maybe a little bit more if you're pregnant or exercise intensely. But high protein, excess protein above that level, turns into keto acids and adds to metabolic acidosis, cells being too acid. This induces inflammation and repair deficit, and chronic disease risks are all associated with excess protein intake. Balance is recommended. We recommend Nature's Pharmacy eating guidelines. You will get good, alkalinizing, clean sources of protein that can be easily and fully digested, assimilated, and eliminated. We want you to have a healthy microbiome and healthy digestive transit time. And healthy digestive transit time is 12 to 18 hours. Average Americans range from 3 days to a week. What comes out on Monday might have come in last week. That's more than enough time for toxic metabolites to form and be absorbed or taken up by the large intestine. We suggest jump-starting your digestion with Perk Digestive Aid and Perk L-Histidine. Digestive Aid, 3 drops at the start of a meal in anything wet and warm. Herbs like angelica, fennel, ginger, all improve stomach acid-based digestion. If you're concerned about acid, know that the stomach needs a lot of acid. Know that people with ulcers actually have low stomach acid and lack the intrinsic factor that sometimes helps facilitate uptake of nutrients. So it is a matter of choice. And today, digestive dysfunction is more than epidemic between the stresses and toxins and patterns of daily living. So I do take L-histidine, a capsule or 2. That is the source of the stomach acid proton. And if you're concerned about histidine turning into histamine, and if you take the histidine 30 minutes before the meal, the histidine will be at peak, contributing acid level to the stomach protein digestion when you need it, when you want it, and without really excess histamine forming. You can enhance your microbiome by including probiotics, live healthy bugs that proliferate and are needed in the digestive tract. Acidophilus needs to be replenished every day. And if you take live probiotics, they can help proliferate your microbiome. Then, and often needed, is recycled glutamine, the symbiotic, along with healthy fiber. This is Perk's Digestive Quintet. Enteropathy, atrophy of the digestive tract, is epidemic in this country today. And fortunately, recycled glutamine energizes and helps restore the lining cells of the intestines. So, where do I get protein from? I get it from live culture sheep or goat's yogurt. I get it from beans and legumes and peas. It turns out there is plenty of protein in whole, uncontaminated foods. So I get 60 to 80 grams, occasionally a little bit more. It turns out that herbs and spices, uncontaminated herbs and spices, are also good sources of digestible, biologically active protein. So I get my protein from whole foods, and I enjoy the proteins that I take.